What is dropshipping and why does it matter? Hey there! Welcome to our video on starting a dropshipping business. I'm excited to share with you how to get started with this flexible and relatively low-risk way of selling products online. By the end of this video, you'll know the basics of dropshipping and be ready to take the first steps towards starting your own online store. Dropshipping is a business model where you don't hold any inventory. Instead, you partner with a supplier who ships products directly to your customers. This model has become increasingly popular in recent years due to its low startup costs and minimal risk. Choosing a niche to start a successful dropshipping business, you need to choose a niche, a specific area of products that you'll focus on selling. This could be anything from fashion accessories to home decor items. When choosing a niche, consider the following. Asterisk, what are you passionate about? Asterisk, what problems do you want to solve for your customers? Asterisk, is there a demand for the products you're interested in? Take a moment to think about what niche you'd like to get into. Finding a supplier. Once you've chosen your niche, it's time to find a supplier. You'll need to research and find a reliable supplier who can provide high-quality products at a competitive price. Some popular platforms for finding suppliers include AliExpress, Oberlo, Sale. When selecting a supplier, make sure to check their product offerings, shipping policies, customer service. Setting up an online store. Now that you have a supplier, it's time to set up an online store. You can use platforms like Shopify or WooCommerce to create a professional-looking store in no time. Make sure to choose a theme that's responsive and easy to navigate. Add high-quality product images and descriptions. Set up a payment gateway to accept payments. Marketing and promotion. Your online store is up and running, but now you need to drive traffic to it. Marketing and promotion are crucial to the success of your dropshipping business. Some effective ways to market your store include social media advertising, influencer marketing, email marketing. Managing orders and customer service. As your store grows, you'll need to manage orders and provide excellent customer service. This includes processing orders and responding to customer inquiries, managing returns and refunds, building a relationship with your customers to encourage repeat business. Monitoring and optimizing. To ensure the success of your dropshipping business, you'll need to monitor and optimize your performance regularly. This includes tracking your sales and profits, analyzing your website's traffic and engagement, making data-driven decisions to improve your business. Recap and next steps. That's it for today's video on starting a dropshipping business. To recap, we covered what dropshipping is and why it matters, choosing a niche and finding a supplier, setting up an online store and marketing your products, managing orders and customer service, monitoring and optimizing your performance. If you're interested in starting a dropshipping business, I encourage you to take the next step and research further. Good luck. Call to action. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more educational content on entrepreneurship and online business. Don't forget to leave a comment below with any questions or feedback. Happy selling!